Hey folks, welcome back to the WoodenPebble. I know, something's changed. Something's missing. Let's get into it. Alright, so, haven't posted a video in a couple of months. Maybe a little more. Why? First it was birthday, stuff like that. And then came a very life-changing event for myself and my family. My youngest daughter was diagnosed with leukemia. Yeah. Suckage on top of suckage. It's definitely been difficult. And that's really all I can say, is it's difficult. But it's also a fantastic teacher and forcing everybody in my household to grow a little. And with that growth, I'm back out here trying to make this video to talk to you guys, you people. So what does all this mean? Is the WoodenPebble going to stop? Are we not going to be posting more videos? Oh, I could answer no and no to both of those, okay? And in fact, I'm going to try my best to be a little bit more active as we find our new normal in the house. Agreed, this has only been since early October, so you guys are going to have to bear with me here. Because we have to find that new normal. We have to find out how to function, full-time job still, and all the other good jazz that's going on, alright? But how do we find that new normal, and then how do we start moving forward? Why do we want to move forward? Before, it was just because I wanted to make the videos to show people little CNC knowledge to a functional business. Maybe. Or a complete dumpster fire. Who knows? That's still up in the air. But now, I want to make these videos. I want to still show the woodworking. I want to still show the CNC. But it's no longer for the application of the WoodenPebble to be a thriving business, right? It's so I can put content out there to share my journey with the woodworking, and use this as a platform to help the other children that I saw with leukemia and the other disorders. It was a blood disorder and cancer wing in the hospital. It was really gut-wrenching, but it proved to me that we need to try our best to help after we're in a good spot. We're not in a good spot per se yet, but we're trending in the right direction. So, yay! Even my niece made these really awesome little golden ribbons with Noe's name on them. Thank you. If I'm not mistaken, she has an Etsy account. I'll put that down there. You guys could show her some love with the Etsy stuff. So thank you. And what else does this mean? So will I still be making the mail posts and stuff like that? Yeah, we'll get back into that. But I'm going to start trying to be a little bit more creative. In fact, last weekend broke down pallet and really roughly glued up some of the wood into this block. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. We're going to do something with it. First I was thinking of, like, a little ribbon on it and maybe epoxy, and who knows, blah, blah, blah. And then use that as a donation thing to the hospital, maybe to drive some money towards them. Also, since I've gotten away from the hospital and I've went back to work, if any of you guys are following on Instagram, Facebook, or I know there's another one, Twitter. You may have seen my post out there about the hospital not having functioning gaming consoles in the rooms. And I've been trying to drum up support to get the hospital gaming consoles. So far I've gotten one. 1 out of 30, we'll say. Not bad. Not bad. Better than nothing. I've got a few people that are reaching out for me, but that's also going to be part of what I do here, is I'm going to be trying to drum up support, drum up funds to donate to Scottish Rite, which is a hospital in Atlanta, the one that actually took care of my daughter. So, today's not really going to be too much of working. I just wanted to come out and have this little chit chat. Sorry, I laugh because when my daughter was in the hospital, anytime doctor, nurse, just anybody really, came into the room, she would sit up and give them this evil eye and go, "Are you here just to chit chat? Or are you going to do something to me?" It's hilarious. Just, whoa. Anyway, I'll see about if we can maybe get her on one of these videos too. So, once again, peeps, thank you so much for the support and everything that you guys have provided to me. My community here is amazing, and I mean that in the true sense of the word. I truly appreciate everyone's help and everyone's willingness to step up and do something to not just help me and my family in this area of need, but it has expanded out to other families that have been dealing with another crisis in their life. They say that, you know, the caring, sharing, whatever is infectious, and seeing it firsthand. So let's see what else we can get into. Let's see where this wild ride's going to take us next. Thanks a lot. You guys have a great one. Bye!